Ever wondered how pancake mix is really made inside a pancake mix factory?
That simple pouch of pancake mix starts its journey in a high-tech pancake mix factory. Here, tons of ingredients blend into perfectly even pancake mix. Every particle of pancake mix is carefully mixed for light, fluffy pancakes. Then this pancake mix rushes to automated packaging lines.
Millions of boxes of pancake mix leave this pancake mix factory every year.
Today, we'll go deep inside this pancake mix factory. Stay with us to see every step of how pancake mix is made.
Welcome to our pancake mix factory, where your favorite pancake mix is made.
In this tour, we'll follow pancake mix from raw grains to finished boxes.
You'll see exactly how we blend flour and baking soda into perfect pancake mix.
Computerized controls make sure every pancake mix batch follows the same trusted recipe.
If you like seeing how pancake mix is made, remember to subscribe for more factory tours.
This is the final form of that carefully crafted pancake mix.
But before we get here, a lot happens behind the scenes in this pancake mix factory.
These high-speed machines fill and seal every bag of pancake mix.
Let's rewind to the very beginning of the pancake mix process.
Welcome to our pancake mix factory, where your favorite pancake mix is made. In this tour, we'll follow pancake mix from raw grains to finished boxes.
You'll see exactly how we blend flour and baking soda into perfect pancake mix.
Computerized controls make sure every pancake mix batch follows the same trusted recipe.
If you like seeing how pancake mix is made, remember to subscribe for more factory tours.
This is the final form of that carefully crafted pancake mix.
But before we get here, a lot happens behind the scenes in this pancake mix factory.
Let's rewind to the very beginning of the pancake mix process.
Pancake mix starts with incoming ingredients. Truckloads of wheat arrive to be milled into flour for pancake mix.
This flour is the base of every box of pancake mix.
Each pallet destined for pancake mix is carefully logged and inspected.
The texture of this flour is critical to the final pancake mix.
Bulk flour silos feed the pancake mix lines automatically.
Every silo is dedicated to specific grades for pancake mix.
Sugar gives pancake mix its hint of sweetness and must meet strict specs.
Even these grains of sugar are tested before entering the pancake mix. Baking powder and baking soda make pancake mix rise on your griddle.
Each ingredient used in pancake mix has its own clearly marked container.
Precise amounts of salt bring out flavor in the finished pancake mix.
Milk powder transforms dry pancake mix into a rich, creamy batter. Flavorings and egg powder are measured carefully for each type of pancake mix.
Traceability ensures every pancake mix ingredient can be tracked.
Even the packaging for pancake mix is prepared in advance.
These rolls will become the pouches that hold your pancake mix.
Quality papers verify the flour meets the pancake mix standard.
Granulation affects how easily pancake mix blends with water.
All of these silos and hoppers feed the pancake mix process.
Dedicated equipment prevents cross-contamination of pancake mix ingredients.
Safety checks ensure nothing unwanted reaches the pancake mix.
This is the busy gateway where all pancake mix ingredients arrive. Every batch of pancake mix has a unique identity for tracking.
Segregation keeps pancake mix materials organized and safe.
Here, workers stage ingredients for precise pancake mix recipes. Color-coded tools prevent mistakes between different pancake mix ingredients. Sanitation helps keep pancake mix safe and clean.
Some pancake mix ingredients need precise storage conditions.
Scales here pre-weigh ingredients for the pancake mix recipes.
Next, these ingredients move into processing to become pancake mix.
This is where the pancake mix ingredients are measured automatically.
Flour is dosed by weight into each batch of pancake mix. Careful ventilation captures dust while pancake mix flour moves. Sugar feeders add just enough sweetness to the pancake mix.
From above, you can see how everything flows toward the pancake mixer.
Automated scales keep pancake mix batches within strict tolerances. Pipes like these move dry ingredients toward the pancake mixers.
Minor ingredients like baking powder are metered precisely into pancake mix.
Some pancake mix is fortified. Micro-ingredients are pre-mixed for even distribution.
These pre-blends disperse smoothly into larger pancake mix batches. Operators choose different pancake mix recipes from digital menus. From here, technicians oversee the entire pancake mix process.
Software verifies that all pancake mix components are in the right proportions. Data traces every parameter of the pancake mix production.
If anything drifts off target, the pancake mix team reacts instantly.
Long runs of piping connect silos to pancake mix blenders.
Green lights indicate the pancake mix line is running smoothly.
Staged ingredients flow one by one into the pancake mix process. Scanning ensures the right ingredient reaches the right pancake mix recipe. Multiple ingredients converge for each new batch of pancake mix.
This is the very start of blended pancake mix.
Conveyors gently carry ingredients into the heart of the pancake mix system.
Inspectors can visually confirm flow of ingredients for the pancake mix.
Multiple lines can run different pancake mix products at once.
Safety checks protect both workers and the pancake mix.
When a batch reaches its set weight, the pancake mix system moves to mixing.
Gentle motion begins blending the pancake mix ingredients.
Every scoop of pancake mix must be evenly blended.
High-speed mixing distributes leavening throughout the pancake mix. Multiple blenders ensure a steady supply of pancake mix. Powerful motors keep pancake mix tumbling until it's uniform.
At this scale, pancake mix looks like a living landscape.
Different recipes create different styles of pancake mix.
Ribbon mixers push and fold the pancake mix from all directions.
Technicians pull samples to check pancake mix quality during blending.
They examine texture to ensure the pancake mix is even and lump-free. When blending is complete, the pancake mix flows to the next step. Sifters remove any lumps or oversized pieces from the pancake mix. Only smooth, fine pancake mix passes to packaging. Oversized particles are removed so they don't affect the finished pancake mix.
Magnets capture stray metal before it ever touches your pancake mix. Now the pancake mix is fully blended and ready for packaging.
Buffer hoppers hold pancake mix steady between blending and filling. Multiple stations refine the pancake mix before it's bagged.
They check that pancake mix from the line matches the reference.
Once a batch is done, the pancake mix mixer is cleaned for the next run.
Even the last bit of pancake mix is collected to reduce waste. The finished pancake mix is now waiting to be portioned into packages. Next, we'll follow the pancake mix into high-speed filling and boxing.
This area is devoted entirely to packaging pancake mix.
Multi-head weighs portion-exact amounts of pancake mix for each bag.
Pouches form around a waterfall of pancake mix. You're seeing pancake mix enter the bag from the inside. Sealing jaws lock the pancake mix inside an airtight package. Date codes track exactly when this pancake mix was produced. Filled bags of pancake mix travel toward weight checks and boxing. Check weighers confirm every pancake mix bag is within tolerance. If a pancake mix bag is under or overweight, it's automatically rejected. Flat cardboard becomes the sturdy box for pancake mix. Robots gently load pancake mix bags into boxes.
From this angle, you can see the pancake mix bag drop into the box.
Multiple lines feed pancake mix boxes into shipping cases.
Print quality checks keep pancake mix branding sharp and accurate.
Machines group pancake mix boxes into larger cases. Robots build tall pallets of pancake mix, ready for distribution.
Each pallet holds hundreds of boxes of pancake mix.
Stretch wrap protects pancake mix pallets in transit. Forklifts move pancake mix pallets into long-term storage. Some pancake mix ships in display-ready trays for supermarkets. Labels record where and when the pancake mix was made. From above, the pancake mix packaging flow looks like a choreographed dance. Printed film carries all the branding you see on your pancake mix at home.
Some pancake mix comes in resealable pouches for convenience. Packaging can switch quickly between different pancake mix varieties.
These lines can produce hundreds of pancake mix packs every minute. All finished pancake mix converges at the shipping docks.
In the lab, samples of pancake mix are tested for consistency.
They prepare batter from the pancake mix to test real-world performance.
Moisture content affects how pancake mix stores and mixes.
The ultimate test of pancake mix is how it cooks.
A good pancake mix should rise tall and cook evenly.
Texture and taste scores must meet strict pancake mix standards.
Approved pancake mix moves into storage, waiting for orders. Trucks carry pancake mix from this factory to stores across the country.
And that's how pancake mix is made today inside a modern pancake mix factory. If you enjoyed this, like the video and subscribe for more tours.
From grain to package, this pancake factory keeps breakfast moving.
Thanks for watching how pancake mix is made. Subscribe for more factory tours and behind-the-scenes manufacturing stories.